The 1972 Kennedy half dollar is a coin that many people overlook because hundreds of millions were minted for general circulation, but a select few possess hidden features that drive collectors into intense bidding wars. When you look at this specific 30-cent piece from the early 1970s, you might think it is only worth its face value, but the numismatic market tells a completely different story for pristine examples. Many individuals have these coins sitting inside old jars or coin purses without ever realizing that certain pieces are highly sought after by serious collectors worldwide. Identifying the true market value requires looking beyond the surface level and understanding the exact minting conditions that took place during production that year. By learning what makes a specific coin stand out, you can transform the way you examine your own collection or pocket change when looking for rare hidden gems. Every single detail on this piece can hold the key to uncovering a massive treasury surprise that changes your perspective on ordinary money. To truly understand why a specimen could be worth a significant amount of money, we must first look closely at the minting process and the unique varieties produced in 1972. This specific year is famous among numismatists because it features multiple distinct varieties that were released into the public market, creating a massive treasure hunt for coin enthusiasts. The most prominent variations occur on the obverse side of the coin, where the profile of President John F. Kennedy is sharply struck into the metal. Collectors spend hours using professional magnifying loupes to inspect the precise lettering of the word liberty and the motto, "In God We Trust," for any signs of variation. Even a microscopic difference in the alignment of the steel dies during production can create a legendary piece that stands out from millions of standard coins. It is this exact attention to detail that separates a common pocket piece from an incredibly valuable specimen that belongs in a museum collection. One of the most legendary varieties that drives intense auction competition is the famous missing designer initials error, which can be found hidden on the reverse side of the coin. If you turn the coin over and inspect the area near the eagle's right talon, you will normally see the small letters FG, which represent the legendary designer Frank Gasparro. However, due to excessive die polishing at the minting facility, certain rare dies completely erased these letters from the striking surface during production. When a coin is struck without these crucial initials, it becomes an official part of a highly limited error group that collectors actively hunt for every single day. Finding a verified specimen that completely lacks these initials is like finding a needle in a haystack because so few survived the rigorous quality control checks. This missing detail is exactly what causes intense excitement among numismatists who are willing to pay massive premiums just to add this error to their private collections. When it comes to determining the ultimate market value of any vintage coin, the absolute most important factor that dictates the final price is the official condition and numerical grading. A regular coin that has been bouncing around in circulation for decades will naturally accumulate scratches, scuffs, and loss of original mint luster, which significantly lowers its overall collector appeal. On the exact opposite end of the spectrum, a coin that was immediately saved from circulation and preserved in a protective coin holder will retain its flawless satin finish. Professional grading services use a strict 70-point scale to evaluate the preservation of the metal surfaces, the sharpness of the strike, and the presence of any distracting marks. A difference of just 1 or 2 grading points can mean the difference between a coin that is worth face value and one that commands thousands. This is why keeping your collection perfectly preserved is the single best strategy for maximizing the potential financial return of your numismatic investments. The historic peak of what a pristine coin can achieve was demonstrated beautifully at a major public auction when an exceptionally rare graded specimen shattered expectations and sold for an incredible $10,097. This phenomenal auction result of $10,097 shocked the collecting community and proved that the market for 1972 half dollars is incredibly strong when the quality is unmatched. It is vital to understand that this specific premium valuation was achieved because the specimen was officially certified in an incredibly high state of preservation by a major grading service. Bidders at the auction house were willing to push the price to $10,097 because they recognized the extreme rarity of finding a coin with completely flawless surfaces. This historical milestone serves as a powerful reminder of why we must always inspect our coins carefully before ever thinking about spending them at a local store. To spot these high-value features successfully on your own, you need to develop a systematic approach to examining every single piece of United States currency that passes through your hands. Start by placing the coin under a strong, direct light source so that you can see how the light reflects across the fields and the raised devices of the design. Look closely at the edges of the lettering on the front side to see if there is any thickness or distortion that could indicate a doubled die variety. Next, flip the coin over to verify if the designer's initials are fully visible or completely missing from the space beside the eagle's tail feathers. Taking your time to inspect these zones carefully ensures that you do not accidentally overlook a detail that could be worth thousands of dollars to a specialist. Consistency is the true secret to finding rare varieties, as the more coins you check, the higher your chances of discovering an exceptional piece. Many people wonder how these incredible mint errors manage to escape the secure minting facilities and make their way into regular banking channels where ordinary citizens can find them. During the massive production runs of 1972, millions of planchets were being struck at maximum speed to meet the high economic demand for half-dollar coins across the nation. With machinery running constantly, the steel dies would slowly degrade, requiring mint workers to polish them frequently or replace them entirely when they became worn down. This high-pressure manufacturing environment naturally creates the perfect conditions for minor variations and major error varieties to slip through the automated inspection lines completely unnoticed. By the time anyone notices the mistake, thousands of coins have already been mixed into massive ballistic bags and shipped directly to regional banks for public distribution. This means that these legendary pieces are literally scattered across the country, waiting for someone with the right knowledge to discover them. As you continue your journey into the fascinating world of numismatics, it is highly recommended to connect with reputable coin clubs and utilize official price guides to stay updated on market trends. Sharing your discoveries with experienced collectors can help you verify whether a newly found coin contains a genuine mint error or simply standard wear and tear from circulation. Always remember to handle your coins exclusively by their edges to prevent the natural oils from your fingers from smudging or tarnishing the delicate metal surfaces over time. Storing your collection inside specialized cardboard flips or hard plastic capsules will ensure that the condition remains completely unblemished for future generations of collectors to appreciate. With patience, dedication, and a sharp eye for hidden details, you can unlock the hidden history and massive value trapped inside these classic pieces of American history. Keep searching through your change because you never know when you will hold a piece of history that commands premium auction prices.